This is a song on why you should sub. Number 1, I make great content. Number 2, I work very hard on my content. Number 3, I spend hours editing my videos. Number 4, because I said so.
Number 5, don't make me do it the hard way. Winking face.
Back to the song. If you do not sub, you might just regret it. When I do something neither of us will be happy with. Ways to die when you do not sub is making you eat a fried guy that is your friend. Don't worry. He always lied to you anyway, so I decided to lie him on the grill. You have to be happy when you eat him alive, or I will be unhappy and my voice gets all
scratchy.
Don't worry, when you don't subscribe you will only be taking a little nappy. It might be a little burns, but you got to learn your lesson. After all this torture you earn a dead man that died 2 million years ago on a bed that hangs by a thread. You only got a little time before time ticks to 0 o'clock. I guess it's time to grill, but first let me get some filling. Don't mind when I take your bank bill to pay for more ingredients. At least this will be a thrill to eat. The reason I like eating these is because you guys taste like gummy bears that are really yummy in my tummy, kind of like a plummy fruit. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I worked really hard on this video, lol. I swear if you don't like and subscribe because of the amount of time it took to make this, I am going to commit mass genocide.